Hey! Stop it.
The image of Romeo, Kitty, and Juliet drink is brutally dismembered. Not Crush's love, drinking enough water is something we cannot live without. This buddy has already thought of the perfect dish for dinner tonight.
Pose de jogador, meu goleiro. Pose de jogador, vai tomar o gol, hein? Isso, pose de jogador, se preparou, chutei! Que defesa!
Nothing is impossible when the winner's reward is fried chicken and ice cream.
Que defesa!
Girl, promise to buy me donuts, or I'll never end this war.
No ดูดิมันจะทำยังไง
Not everyone can find a simple, comfortable, and high-paying job like this. Courage is not always recognized when used in the wrong circumstances. A most hardworking, dedicated, and responsible employee that any employer wants. The first official working day of an amateur chef. Become a full-time seller like? Parents have finally found a way to stop this child's mischief. Behind a lady's resilience, there is a fragile heart. People say girls are very modest, and this is the reality. Hey, I think I just saw food in your bag. He is definitely practicing for a scene in some action movie. Hope that this actor will soon become globally famous. Why have you got to keep your boyfriend's heart when she can keep something better? Image of an extrovert hearing the signal for a new friend's appearance. He and his bestie realized they had spent all their money buying food like this.
Arătă, boiăhuț, ai duist 1, 2, 3, 4.
It seems like TikTok just taught her how to catwalk like a model. Not every friend request can be accepted, especially someone with an introvert.
商家也没说这蛇会有屁股啊。
A mother's happiness is that her son keeps the floor clean like this. Tarot readers say that humans will miss a perfect Christmas this year, and here's why. Who says you have to be the king's child to become a princess? How these dudes ensure safety when they accidentally tell their soulmate's secret. Strange creature, you can't hurt my family. It seems like he needed to find a favorite clip, which he forgot to save.
พังหมดแล้วโทรศัพท์กู
The cat's attention will be devoted to you as long as you have food. How to sleep past noon without being caught by his mother. The debate decides who deserves to hug Dad to sleep tonight. Boyfriend just wants to joke with his girlfriend, but she doesn't think so. Parents, don't ignore this effective way to protect your Christmas tree. Looks like these cat leaders have important things to discuss. Wherever there's the handsome man's appearance, there's this lady's effort.
妈妈也不管了，你看这小东西儿。
She has two options: cook her favorite food or accept being bothered like this.
หิวข้าวหิวข้าวมากไหมหิวข้าวไหมหิวข้าวมากไหมมากโอเค
The job is a nanny, but she is still a child, be like. Thank you so much for loving these friends. Have a nice day.